So, let's talk about Apple. Few companies have managed to capture the world's imagination quite like this one. From its humble beginnings in a California garage to becoming a global powerhouse, Apple has always been more than just a tech company. It's a cultural phenomenon. For nearly 2 decades, the company has set a rhythm in the tech world, a cadence of innovation we've come to expect. Each year, Apple's product launches don't just introduce new gadgets, they set the tone for the entire industry, influencing competitors and shaping the way we interact with technology. Every September, the world tunes in to see what new piece of polished glass and aluminum will define the next year in mobile technology. It's become a ritual for millions, tech enthusiasts, journalists, and everyday users alike, eagerly awaiting the next big reveal. But some years are different. Some years Apple doesn't just iterate, they disrupt, surprising even the most jaded observers with bold moves that redefine what's possible. We saw it with the iPhone X, marking a decade of the iPhone by fundamentally changing its design. The home button disappeared, Face ID arrived, and suddenly, the future felt closer than ever. Now, as we look ahead to 2027, rumors swirl about the iPhone's 20th anniversary. The tech world is buzzing with speculation, and anticipation is building for what could be Apple's most ambitious leap yet. The iPhone 20 is at the center of speculation, suggesting a monumental leap. Analysts, leakers, and fans are all trying to piece together what Apple might unveil to mark this historic milestone. Reports indicate Apple might skip the iPhone 19 to land on this milestone number. It's a move that would be classic Apple, bold, symbolic, and sure to get people talking. The original iPhone in 2007 was a revolution, introducing the modern smartphone. It changed not just how we communicate, but how we live, work, and play, ushering in an era of touchscreens, apps, and always-on connectivity. The iPhone 20 aims to be the next true revolution, a device that is truly, completely, just a screen. Imagine a phone with no visible borders, no buttons, and no distractions, just pure, immersive display. This pursuit of the perfect, uninterrupted slab of glass has been inching forward for years. Each generation has brought us closer, with thinner bezels, smarter sensors, and ever more advanced materials. The iPhone 20 promises to be the culmination of these efforts. It's not just about hardware, it's about reimagining what a phone can be in a world where digital and physical realities are increasingly intertwined. The vision is a phone that feels less like a gadget and more like a window into your digital world. Augmented reality, seamless connectivity, and intuitive design could make the device feel almost invisible, an extension of yourself. This is the story of how that future is being built. As Apple approaches its 20th iPhone, the world is watching, wondering not just what's next but how far the company will go to once again change everything. When we talk about a four-sided bending display, what do we mean? It's a term that's been popping up in tech circles, but it can sound a bit mysterious at first. Let's break it down and see what makes this display so unique. The idea of a four-sided bending display sounds futuristic, and honestly, it is. It's a leap forward in smartphone design, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from our devices. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a reimagining of the entire front of the phone. For years, we've seen phones with what's called waterfall displays, where the screen curves elegantly down the left and right sides. These designs have given us a taste of what's possible, making phones look more immersive and modern. But now, imagine taking that same concept and applying it not just to the sides, but to the top and bottom edges as well. Suddenly, the display isn't just wrapping around two sides, it's flowing over all four, creating a seamless, borderless effect. The goal here is to create a display that curves away on every edge, leaving no room for a traditional frame or bezel. It's about maximizing the screen area and minimizing anything that distracts from the content. Imagine holding a device that feels like it's made entirely of screen. No borders, no interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted display real estate. It's a vision that's as striking as it is ambitious. The real genius behind the four-sided bending technique is in the engineering. By folding the circuitry underneath the visible part of the panel, manufacturers can push the pixels right to the very edge, without sacrificing functionality. This approach allows the visible pixels to extend all the way to the edge of the device, making the display feel limitless. It's a technical marvel that requires precision and innovation. The The result, if executed perfectly, is a phone that looks and feels like a single solid piece of illuminated glass, sleek, modern, and almost magical in its simplicity. This design represents the ultimate fulfillment of the all-screen promise, a device where the display is truly the star and everything else fades into the background. It's the kind of ambitious, forward-thinking design that makes the rumors about the iPhone 20 so compelling. If Apple can pull this off, it could change the way we think about smartphones forever. So, you've got this perfect all-screen display, but where do all the sensors go? Where's the front-facing camera for selfies and FaceTime calls? Achieving a seamless screen means all hardware has to go somewhere else, behind the display. This involves placing cameras and sensors directly underneath the pixels of the OLED screen. When you need to take a photo, a specific area of the display becomes transparent to allow light to pass through. This technology allows for a truly uninterrupted viewing experience. For Apple, a company that prides itself on camera quality, good enough won't cut it. They need the under-display camera to be virtually indistinguishable from a traditional one. Getting all components to work flawlessly from behind the screen is a massive undertaking. Creating a four-sided bending display with hidden components is an immense technical challenge. One significant hurdle is thin-film encapsulation, or TFE. OLED displays are sensitive to moisture and oxygen. TFE protects the delicate OLED panel. For a four-sided bending design, this TFE layer needs to be thinner and more flexible. Manufacturers are racing to develop new TFE materials that can handle the stress of being folded on all sides. Another challenge is antenna performance. In a bezel-less design, there's no room for traditional antenna bands. Engineers must find new ways to integrate antennas without compromising signal strength. Finally, there's the issue of yield and cost. Manufacturing such a complex display is exponentially harder, driving up costs. For a leap like the iPhone 20's display, it requires more than Apple's vision. It needs a massive commitment from supply chain partners. Apple can dream up the next big thing, but it's companies like LG Display that have to turn those dreams into reality. The scale and complexity of what's being attempted here is staggering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in display technology, and demanding innovation at every step. LG Display is stepping up with a colossal investment of nearly $300 million. This isn't just a routine upgrade, it's a bold move that signals LG's determination to be at the forefront of the next generation of smartphone displays. This money is for a complete overhaul of its production facilities to build the advanced display technology Apple demands. LG is tearing down old lines and building new ones from the ground up, installing state-of-the-art equipment that can handle the precision and scale required for Apple's ambitious vision. This investment is a calculated gamble for LG. The company is betting big, knowing that the rewards could be enormous if they succeed, but the risks are just as real. Committing such a sum means betting that this technology is the future of smartphone screens. If the market shifts or the technology doesn't deliver, LG could be left with costly infrastructure and no buyers. The funds would set up new production lines with specialized machinery. These lines are designed to produce displays with unprecedented clarity, brightness, and efficiency, features that Apple is counting on for its next flagship device. This is a move to secure a major contract with Apple. Landing this deal could mean years of steady business and a leadership position in the global display market. By investing early, LG can position itself to win a significant portion of the iPhone 20 display orders. It's a race against time and competitors, and LG is determined to come out ahead. The scale of the investment shows how seriously the industry is taking the prospect of a truly bezel-less iPhone. For LG, this is more than just a business decision. It's a statement about their ambition to shape the future of mobile technology. While LG is making headlines, we can't forget Samsung Display. As Apple's primary supplier of OLED panels, Samsung's role is critical. It's certain Apple has made the same request for a bezel-less display to Samsung. Samsung has less to prove but more to lose. To remain Apple's #1 display partner, Samsung will need to invest in four-sided bending technology. The dynamic between Apple, Samsung, and LG fuels rapid innovation. Apple benefits by having two capable suppliers vying for its business. For Samsung and LG, the race is on to master the manufacturing process. Samsung's experience with flexible OLEDs gives it an advantage. The race is on, and the outcome will shape the next generation of smartphones. The road to a revolutionary device like the iPhone 20 isn't built overnight. It's paved with iterative steps and transitional products. The iPhone 18, expected in 2026, could feature under-display Face ID. This would eliminate the dynamic island, moving to a design with a small punch hole cutout. Successfully implementing under-display Face ID is a massive challenge. By introducing this feature, Apple can test the technology at scale. The iPhone Fold provides experience in mass-producing complex, flexible displays. Foldable phones push the limits of materials like ultra-thin glass and flexible OLED panels. The iPhone 18 and Fold are public dress rehearsals for the main event in 2027. This methodical strategy ensures that when Apple makes a big leap, they land it perfectly. Why does this matter? A phone with no bezels sounds cool, but is it a game changer? Yes, and the impact goes beyond aesthetics. A truly all-screen device changes the relationship between the user and the software. It dissolves the physical boundary, making digital content feel more present. Imagine an immersive gaming experience where the virtual world extends to the edge of your hand. This design could unlock new forms of interaction. With a screen that wraps around the edges, the sides become active, touch-sensitive surfaces. The software could adapt the phone's edges to the task at hand. This turns the entire device into an interactive surface. A successful iPhone 20 would set a new high-water mark for design and engineering. It's about a glimpse into the next chapter of personal computing. After all this talk, what are the chances of this happening? It's important to apply skepticism. The tech world is filled with ambitious rumors, and not all pan out. Based on the information, the rumor of a bezel-less iPhone 20 is highly plausible. The 2027 timeline for the 20th anniversary provides a logical target. However, plausibility doesn't guarantee reality. The technical challenges are enormous. Any one of them could prove too difficult to solve in time. There's always a chance the technology isn't ready, and Apple could delay the feature. The iPhone 20 rumor represents more than just a single product. It embodies the direction the entire mobile industry is heading, toward more immersive, seamless technology.